How to adjust speed in edits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust speeds. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle you can see this project icon. Simply tap on it. So here in this project section, here you'll be able to create a new project or even open the older ones. Here I'm opening my older project. Now as you can see, I am in this editing platform. Now in order to increase the speed, first select the video that you want to increase the speed of. So here I'm tapping on one, and here you can see the speed option. Simply tap on speed. So as you can see here, you can even decrease the speed or increase the speed of the video, so you can adjust it however you like. And at last, simply tap on the stick button and you're done. So this video speed has been adjusted. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.